How to use Oralmedic. Firstly, dry the ulcer with the cotton drying bud. Remove the Oralmedic treatment stick from the packaging and hold it with the red circle facing upwards. Gently bend the cotton bud at the red circle until it snaps. Hold the treatment stick at a 45-degree angle. Oralmedic will now flow to the opposite end of the cotton bud. Gently apply the treatment to the mouth ulcer, ensuring that the mouth ulcer is completely covered. After a few seconds, rinse your mouth with water and spit out.